I made over 1.2 million naira in 1 week using Google Gemini and 30,000 naira. This is the proof. Right here in my first OP, if I click on from transfer, and then you're going to see right here, I have gotten over 909,000 naira selling a product online, and this is the exact amount I am gotten so far. In this account also, I have gotten over 80,000 naira. In this account also, I have also gotten over 90,000, and even this account. Not only that, one of my students that actually did 1% of what I'm going to teach you in this video, this is his result. So you are going to see that he have sold almost how many copies of this. I've made over 50,000 naira doing the same thing that I'm going to show you in this video if you follow me to the end. You can actually see right here in my screen, I'm going to see that I spent just 25,300 naira in total for just getting over 87 results and 288 customers in my DM that patronized me, that I even converted as reseller. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually recreate this using this master prompt file and Google Gemini. The thing you're going to do is to open up your Google Gemini Pro. If you don't have Google Gemini Pro, check out the link to contact me direct to get it from me at cheaper rates. So right here in Google Gemini Pro, simply click on the place that say this plus docs and then click on file and select this PDF and then upload it on Google Gemini. Don't worry, I'm going to show you along the video how you can actually get this PDF for yourself. So right here, I've actually sent it to Google Gemini. I got to send it. The first question Google Gemini asked us is product details. What product or service are you selling, and what is the exact price you are selling it? So if you are selling a smartphone, you are selling a watch, you are selling a digital product, or whatever product you are selling, you are simply going to do what? Type it right here. So for instance, I'm going to say I'm selling, okay, let me still say I'm selling CapCut. The price I want to be selling it is 5,000 naira. Then I had to send that. So 5,000 naira is the price I want to be selling it. Then it will ask us the next question. Creative asset. Have you already created a video or photo for the ads, or do you want us to gather the information for yourself? For me, I've actually created a video for myself using the direction of this exact method. But for you that have not created anyone, simply say, I have no video. Give me video idea. What you are going to do now is to say send, and that it will save that and then proceed to ask you the third question. The third question it will ask you is ad budget. How much do you want to spend on this ad per day, and what is your total overall budget for this campaign? So I'm going to be spending, for me, I'm going to be spending 3,000 naira a day, 15,000 naira total. For you, you can choose to spend 1,500 or 2,000 naira depending on how much you have. Okay, so don't do because of me. And once you have done that, send it to Google Gemini, and Google Gemini will do what? Ask you the last question. The last question it will ask you is this: campaign duration. How many days do you want your campaign to last? Some people put it forever. Like me now, I don't have a particular day, but if you have a tight budget, you can simply put in the amount of day you want it to be on. So I'm going to be putting it on 5 days. After that, the Gemini will start generating the exact information we need, the script we need to create our video, and every settings you need to get the highest click for yourself. Right now, Gemini have written everything for us. Now, what we are going to do next is to follow the direction. So it is directing us to this exact part where we are going to click the link. Then it will take you to Facebook ad page where you are going to create your ad. So right here in this Facebook ad page, if you're also using phone, you can download the app for yourself. Then you are going to click on the first thing it says is that budget, this is it. So the first thing it says we should click on create, engage, and Terra message campaign. So I've got to come over here, click on create, select engage, continue. The next campaign is this is the next thing. I have to click on continue. My network is bad. You can see I'm vibrating here. Nigerian network is something else. So after that, this is the place it will tell us to put in name, and what we are going to simply do is to get the name this Gemini gave your product, and then come back there to paste that. I'm going to be pasting them one after the other. Some parts I'm going to be skipping fast, live ad and ABTC, A and B. It says we should turn them off. So next thing is number 2, conversion destination settings. Select message app, choose the connected business page, and the manual concern blah 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 only for WhatsApp. So we are going to come back there and also move down right here. This is it right here. Our page is being selected where we want to run it on, and we remove all these Facebook and Instagram message app and select only WhatsApp on. So make sure it is your number that is there. So after that, what we are going to then do is to also go and check another direction it gives us. Let me remove my glasses. My eye, I don't even know which one you want. So it says the budget daily spend is 3,000. So we have to also go back and put our daily spend at 3,000. Make sure you watch this to the end, because any parts where you miss and they think they the video, no can they ask me silly questions. Watch the video to the end for you to see how it works. Remove this because we don't need to put it in any time, but according to the Gemini, it says we can select anytime and also publish anytime. Some people like to publish by 5, some people like to publish, but me, I decided my own immediately by in midnight. So right here it says format single image or video, call to action, select WhatsApp message, blah blah blah. Now the next one is the audience target matrix. That's where the configuration is. So we have to move to the audience, that part. It's the custom audience where you are going to search in the audience. Okay, so the audience we are targeting age is from 18 to 35. Okay, we are going to also come here and then click on edit to put it from 18 to 35. Don't leave it like this, so that they will not be targeting 35, so that they will not be targeting people that are not important in your ads. Next thing we are going to do, gender, we should leave it in all, and advantage and detail target. So advantage and detail target is where you are going to search in the people that are interested in your product. So this Google Gemini will actually provide them for you. So right here it says call, stick, content creation, video editor, CapCut, TikTok and all. So you can simply come over here and start searching those words. So you can see content creator, I've actually selected that. I also going to also search another one, bloggers, YouTubers, or you can even type the one, let's say CapCut, one's video editing. You can select YouTuber or YouTube, select YouTube for your audience, and then CapCut. So CapCut is the final targeted audience. So you can also stack all of them together as it is written here. So I'm just trying to do this to pass this place faster for us not to take much time on our video. So I don't know whether this thing they record my voice. This guy don't send me money. So you can even see that I'm still getting sell even when I am talking to you guys. Let me just deliver them. The next thing we are going to do is to move into the next part, which is the direction of your script to record your voice, your video that will get people to click on your ads. So this is it right here. It says aggressive directing response ad copy scripts. So you can actually study these scripts and participate on it. For me, I've already have my script. This is it right here, and this is the direction I use. This master prompt is the one that helped me to run that ad. So this is everything, and your video should be at least from 1 second to 15 seconds, but sometimes you can do more than that. But the best sweet spot is to be able to be in 15 seconds. So after that, then let's move into the next page. So this page now, we have set everything we need, you understand. Then we are going to click on next. So next is the next page where we are going to upload our video file and all to be able to move into the main thing. So right now it says select single image or video. Then click on this place that says set creative. Click on it and then select either image or video. So I'm going to be using video, and this is my video right here. Okay, this is my video right here, or you can simply upload from your system. So I already have it on my phone or my laptop, so I can simply then click on that and then click on next. So when you click on next, it will then load, ask you to do some adjustments. You can simply say skip to run it that way. Also click on also next, because they will disturb you. The simple also crop, they ask you primary text, be skipping all of them one after the other. So the next thing you are going to see right here in the screen is to see where you are going to put in your primary text, your highlights, your description. So come over here, you are going to see primary text. This is the primary text right here, highlights and other ones. So right here, I'm going to simply get in my primary text. So right here in the primary text, I paste that. It's very long, I know, so but it will fit in, so you can see it right here. That's what will drag attention, and that's what worked for me. I'm showing you. You can even see that it's the same thing you saw, and the headline is to go over to this place and get in the headline. Also come over here to also change the headline. So the next thing is description. Sometimes it will tell me to just leave this description like that, but sometimes it will just say how to claim your instance. Simply copy this one and then put it in your description. Your description doesn't matter. You can still leave your description like that, or you can do other ones. So after that, our ad is now ready to publish. Everything is set. Then you can click on publish. I'm not publishing this because I've already paused this ad, which is the one you saw. So I'm just showing how I did it. So this is it right here. It's now been set, and when your ad is set, you are going to see it will look like this. It will look like this in the setup right now. So now what you are going to then do is the most important part. But if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The most important part is not about running ads. It's not about customer clicking on the ads. It's about customer trusting you. It's about customer buying your products, because you can get ads and a lot of people will fool your DM without conversion. Let's show you right now. So right now in the screen, you are going to see the place that say WhatsApp business closing and quick reply. So you can see automated greeting message. You can see the automation and all. So let's go over to our app. Let me open. I don't know whether WhatsApp for system works like that. You can see I have Gloop already though. So I have to click on the place that say tools. If you click on tools, you are going to see message. What's it called? So if you click on tools, you are going to see greeting message. But I don't know for WhatsApp. I don't know for system why it's not showing. But let me make this full. So right here, after the message, then click on the quick reply. This is my quick reply and how I did it right now. And then this is how it's being set up. Shortcut, click on this and then copy that, go over to your app, then click on the place that says plus icon, paste in the exact prompt, and then go back again to copy the message. This is the exact message you want to use. Then you copy that also, then go back to your WhatsApp to do that and set that. Because I've already put in pass, then you can click on save and the pass will be in there. So when you select hash, let's say I want to reply any message, because that's the way you are going to do others. Trying to explain all of them one after the other will take time. That's the way you are going to do others. Are you getting me? So if you come over your WhatsApp right now and select the place that say this place that say this, then if I want to reply this person, I've delivered his work now, I can simply click on select hash and you're going to see the quick reply. Tap on it and automatically it will be there. Then you can send it to your customer. That's the first one. There is thanks. You can see right here There is first presentation, which is the first message that will come inside the WhatsApp. There is the quick one, which is introducing what product you are selling. The next one, which is the third one, is sending the account number to the customer. The fourth one is thanking them for patronizing you. The fifth one is maybe 2 days the customer didn't send any money or didn't buy. The fifth one is what you are going to actually use to remind them, which is called follow up. You can see it here, follow up. This is follow up. If I click on edit, this is follow up and how follow up is. So you have to follow up the customer, and so be it. And that's the way you can run ads and start getting conversion the way I did. A lot of people are doing it right now. Some of my tutors, some of the people I tutored, some of the people I teach are doing it right now. So what is holding you to do it? And you can also resell. You can join my reseller group, so that you can also be doing the same business I am doing. Can simply run the ads and then come and buy the package from me and resell, like the way this person is doing. This is a reseller. He's doing it currently and it's working for him. Okay. And this is my group. I'm also going to put my reseller group in the description for you to join and start backfiring. You see, this year we are going to make a lot of money. So before I end the video, I'm going to be programming this master prompt inside an app where you can access it with credits. So I'm going to also talk about that in the future when that comes in. So go now and get the master prompt. So let me show you how to get the master prompt PDF. If you use the link in my description, it will take you to my seller, and it is sold at 6,000 naira, which will increase in price before 2 weeks. I'm going to increase the price to what it was before. It was 25,000, but because of this video, I'm selling it at 6,000 naira. Click on buy to buy it and then check out, and you are good to go. And that's it for today's video. I believe this will work for you and you learn something from here. If you really don't hesitate to like this video, comment what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.